One of the reasons why everything that I own is black is that usually it means one less decision to make because everything is available in black. For example, when I buy a Fitbit, there's always a black version. Shoes, shirts, whatnot. Black is usually the default option. Well, there's one product on my list where black is not even an option or hasn't been an option so far, and that's the Apple Airpods. But I found this company called Blackpods. And what they do is they take AirPods and they paint them in black, and I just got the package from them and I'm gonna unbox them now and see how they actually look and feel in black. Here we have the regular AirPods. Now let's see if the black ones do just as well. And this package was just delivered this morning. It took them about, I think, just over a week to deliver. So not too bad given that I'm in Switzerland and they probably don't ship here all the time. They charge you about 120 bucks in addition to the regular AirPods price. Black AirPods. The inside is black. They feel exactly as heavy as the other ones that I have. I'm gonna go and connect those to my phone and we'll see if they work. One more thing that I've ordered is this black silicone case, just because I've dropped them in the past. Let's see if this will actually be usable in the day-to-day. It feels kind of bulky, power port, easily accessible, and it does actually feel nice. On the website they actually show them with black interiors. I'm gonna reach out to them and see if there's multiple versions. You can have them in piano black or this matte black, just the matte black version. And now I'm gonna go ahead, connect those to my phone, and we'll see if they work. I had to charge these for maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and then they connected just as easily as the white AirPods. You just open them near the phone, a message pops up, you enter your name, you can define what the double tapping on the left and right ear does. As you can see, they're completely black except for the sensor. They've left a little white border around that. I have to say they look pretty cool. And with that, I'm down to just 2 items that are not black in all my 64 items, which are my 2 red Swiss passports. And replacing them is probably going to be a bit more complicated than ordering Blackpods. So far, really happy with these. I'll put a link to their store in the description in case you want to get some as well. And that's it for today. Cheers.